What's up YouTube, this is your boy Shapes with another video of most beautiful haircut transformation for black men. In this video you will find the most incredible haircut transformation and all of this haircut inspired by the most famous and talented barber around the world. I hope you will enjoy all of this video. Don't skip this video and enjoy. All of these barber have creativity and ability to suggest a perfect haircut that suit your face shape, no matter what type of face shape you have and what type of hair you got, but this barber will got you. These barbers are very consistent and they gave you the top-notch haircut whenever you will visit that barber. As you can see, these barbers have an incredible attention to detail. Every cut is precise and polished. Like, I love that work. That was fantastic transformation, and you know what? That type of atmosphere that the barber create in their barber shop are very welcoming and comfortable. Like, I love that. The most important thing is all of these barbers have a great sense of style. The most important thing for the client, because all of these barbers have a great taste. Like, they are insane. All of this haircut compilation, all of these tutorial videos are incredibly clear and easy to follow. If you are a barber or you are looking for some haircut tutorial, I think this compilation will inspire you, because it's really easy to you to replicate that technique that the barber will demonstrate. I love that transformation, and the way he's doing his work are impressive, and it's really easy to learn something. was fantastic transformation. As you can see, this barber got amazing skills, and his ability to break down complicated technique into simple, like understandable and instruction is commendable. Like, I love his work. I literally appreciate that barber who just put their effort for doing that type of haircut, and it's impressive. The way that barber handle their tools with like precious and skills truly sets you apart. I love that. Guys, if you are really love all of these haircut, yes, you can book your appointment and you can get a haircut from this barber. Like, I will mention all of this barber in my description box. Simply go and click on the description box and just book your appointment and get a perfect haircut from this barber, because they are very skilled, and I really appreciated all of this barber. They are just insane. They got amazing skills. Basically, the best thing is about that barber, they knows the current trend and they have great techniques to give you a right haircut that will fit on your face and that will precise on your face, and it will suit your hair type and face shape, and they got amazing skill, and that's impressive. That barber got fantastic eye for what hairstyles suit a different face shapes and features, and I love that. That was most beautiful haircut transformation I have ever seen on the internet. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crazy haircut transformation. All of these haircut inspired by the best barber around the world, and as you can see, these guys got amazing skills, and I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy striker transformation. And now we are going to sign off, and I will highly recommend you to subscribe that channel to get update for every upcoming new upload. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe.